Removal and installation. Front axle half shaft, passenger side. Step 1. Remove the wheel and tire. Step 2. Remove and discard the wheel hub nut. These nuts are one-time use only. Some people reuse them. We recommend replacing it. Step 3. If equipped, remove the underbody shield. Step 4. Remove and discard the lower control arm nut and bolt. Separate the lower control arm from the wheel knuckle. If needed, remove the lower ball joint protector clip. Note: do not use a prying device to open the slot in the knuckle to separate the lower ball joint from the knuckle assembly. Damage to the knuckle assembly may occur. Note: do not use a prying device or separator fork between the ball joint and the wheel knuckle. Damage to the ball joint or ball joint seal may result. Only use the pry bar by inserting it into the lower arm body opening. Note: use care when releasing the lower arm and wheel knuckle into the resting position or damage to the ball joint seal may occur. Step 5. Remove the brake hose bolt and position the brake hose aside. Step 6. If the axle is stuck, use the special puller tool to separate the half shaft from the wheel hub and bearing. Use and spray penetrating oil inside the hub and axle shaft splines to help remove the axle from the hub. Step 7. Remove and discard the half shaft bearing, retaining nuts and strap. Step 8. Put an oil catch pan under the transmission so any leaking fluid is caught. Step 9. Remove the axle half shaft assembly from the car. Installation. Step 1. Install the new axle. If equipped with all-wheel drive or front-wheel drive and you are reusing the axle, inspect for wear or damage. Step 2. Install the new half shaft bearing strap and nuts. Torque. Stage 1, lower nut, 44 inch-pounds or 5 Newton-meters. Stage 2, upper nut, 18 foot-pounds or 25 Newton-meters. Stage 3, lower nut, 18 foot-pounds or 25 Newton-meters. Step 3. Install the half shaft into the wheel hub and bearing. Step 4. Install the ball joint protector clip. Position the ball joint into the wheel knuckle and install the new ball joint bolt and nut. Torque, 61 foot-pounds or 83 Newton-meters. Next step, install axle nut finger tight. Note: only tighten the nut finger tight at this stage. Install the new wheel hub nut hand tight only. Step 5. Position the brake hose back and install the brake hose bolt. Torque, 97 inch-pounds or 11 Newton-meters. Step 6. Check transmission fluid level to ensure fluid is at the right level. Step 7. If equipped, install the underbody shield. Note: using an assistant to press the brake pedal, use hand tools only. Tighten the wheel hub nut. Torque. Stage 1, 59 foot-pounds or 80 Newton-meters. Stage 2, 90 degrees. Step 8. Install wheel and tire.